Ever wondered why some people seem to be rolling in cash while others are constantly struggling to make ends meet? It's a question that a lot of us ask ourselves as we try to navigate our own financial situations. But what if I told you that the real secret to making money lies in a few simple rules that most people don't even know exist? It might sound weird, but hear me out. The rich and successful have a few tricks up their sleeves that they don't usually share with others. In this video, I'm going to let you in on these hidden money secrets so you can start your own journey towards financial freedom. Number 1. Building wealth isn't just about earning more. It's equally important to save wisely. Think of your money as a bucket of water. It has a limit. No matter how much you pour in, if there's a hole at the bottom, it will eventually run out. Even if you make a good income, spending too much can leave you with little to save. To be financially successful, you need to manage your money wisely, understand what you need versus what you want, and make sure you have extra funds for smart investments. If you find yourself running out of money before the end of the month, it's a sign that you need to check your spending habits. You can start by cutting down on unnecessary expenses and focusing on what's important to you. Saving isn't just about having money in the bank. It's about having a plan for the future. By making informed choices, you can ensure that your hard-earned money doesn't slip away but instead works for you, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Number 2. Passive income, a key to financial freedom. Just imagine waking up to some extra cash in your bank account without even lifting a finger. That's the charm of passive income. Creating a passive income stream is like planting a seed. It requires a bit of effort at first, but it keeps growing over time, rewarding you for years to come. Passive income is usually linked with investments, such as stocks, real estate, being an online entrepreneur like creating an online course, creating ebooks, or creating a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a super cool way to make money without doing much work. You can create a channel on any topic or niche you like, even if you don't want to show your face on camera. If you're interested in creating a YouTube channel as a passive income source but don't know how, then you should check out the link below and take the best YouTube course out there. It's an affiliate link. Even though it requires a bit of work in the beginning, the long-term benefits are enormous. It'll serve as a financial safety net during unexpected challenges, providing you with peace of mind and security. It's like having your own money-making machine that works even when you're not working. After planting the seed, you'll be able to watch your financial garden flourish over time. Passive income is like a friend that's there for you no matter what. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom and security it gives you in life. So, think of it as an investment in your future self, ensuring a brighter and more financially stable tomorrow. Number 3. Not all debt is bad. Think of debt like a handy tool, just like a wrench in your toolbox. It's not about avoiding it entirely, but about using it wisely to create something bigger and better. Here's an example. If you want to buy a house but don't have all the money up front, a mortgage can be your best buddy. It helps you become a homeowner by paying a part first and the rest over time. It's like having a friendly helper who says, "Hey, let's do it together. You don't need all the money right now, but here's the catch. Like a wrench, you need to use debt responsibly. The key is not to borrow more than you can handle and to make sure that whatever you're investing in will grow in value over time." The rich folks know this trick. They don't see debt as a burden, but as a tool to create wealth, much like a builder sees a hammer as a way to build a sturdy house. So, remember, not all debt is bad. It's how you use it that matters. Number 4. Social circle matters. Learn and grow with the right people. Think of your money journey as a team sport. The players you pick for your team can have a big impact on how things turn out. If your teammates are all about making smart money choices, you're more likely to develop good habits. It's like building a squad of people who are all on the same page as you. Your friends and mentors are like your financial teammates. If they've already succeeded in their own financial game, they can give you some really valuable advice and tips. It's kind of like having a coach who can guide you based on their own experiences. Building a network of like-minded people is like picking your dream team. By connecting with people who share your goals and ambitions, you're more likely to succeed. If you can find a mentor who's already played the game and won, They can be like a seasoned player on your team. They'll help you navigate the challenges and get you closer to your financial goals. So, when it comes to your financial journey, choose your teammates wisely. Surround yourself with people who know how to win, and you'll be on your way to financial success. Number 5. Rich don't save money in the bank. Think of your money as seeds that could grow into a lush garden. Of course, it's good to keep some seeds safe for emergencies and everyday needs. But the real fun starts when you plant the rest in fertile soil. The rich don't let their money sit idly in a vault. They put it out there to work for them like a team of little money helpers, some in real estate, some in stocks, and some in index funds. Each helper has a unique job, whether it's growing a property's value or riding the stock market waves. So, while it's wise to have some money in the bank for rainy days, the real growth happens when your money is out there, actively multiplying. It's like watching a garden bloom, and knowing that, over time, it will yield a bountiful harvest. The rich get this, and now you do too. It's not just about saving. It's about strategically investing to make your money work its magic and grow into something bigger. Number 6. True wealth isn't just about having fancy things. Imagine wealth not as a collection of flashy cars and the latest gadgets, but as a flourishing garden of financial security. While those fancy possessions might catch the eye, genuine wealth is about the value of what you own over time. Think of it this way. True wealth is like having a garden that not only looks beautiful, but also provides a constant supply of fruits and vegetables. By prioritizing smart financial choices over splurging on fancy items, you're tending to your financial garden. Financial peace and freedom come not from the number of possessions, but from the steady growth of your assets. So, while it's tempting to chase after the newest gadgets or trendiest cars, true wealth comes from understanding that happiness doesn't solely rely on material possessions. The less you depend on things for happiness, the easier it becomes to build a garden of wealth that stands the test of time. It's not about what you have. It's about the value and growth of what you own, ensuring a richer and more fulfilling financial future. Number 7. Never stop investing in yourself. Think of your brain as a powerful tool that can shape your financial destiny. Successful people know the importance of constantly upgrading their mental software, just like how we wouldn't want our favorite phone or computer to become outdated. They invest time and resources in gaining new knowledge by reading books, taking courses, or connecting with others in the same mindset. It's like giving your mind regular tune-ups, ensuring it stays sharp and adaptable. In a world that's always changing, staying ahead means continuously evolving. The commitment to personal growth is a secret weapon that contributes significantly to their financial success. And it's not just a luxury for the wealthy.